Dodos?
Dodos? Oh, look at him.
Resemble.
Yeah, nobody when I said Dodos, nobody have presumed there some German my name.
Yeah.
Alright.
Now which part of Jamaica?
And I come from, well, Kingston.
Yeah.
My family side come from Trelawney, a place named Warsop in Trelawney. 2010 till now I live here. They asked me to come over here, come stay for a particular period of time. So I go boom and run through the entire Pacific. A long time in the Jamaica.
That's cool.
You're speaking good. You speak well.
No, yeah, me's a Jamaican. That's a Jamaican. Yeah, man, I lose that, man, I tell you.
So guys, we are in Beulah. And Beulah is it's a village, from my understanding, is a very Christianity village, one of the very what do you call it, religious villages, I think, in Samoa. Like, there's so many, but I don't know if it's what religion it is. I think it's Christian, but Methodist, it could be Methodist, I'm not too sure. But correct me, the Samoan people, if I am wrong. I could be wrong, so just let me know what you guys think or what it is. Beulah is a village, but very Christian, very Christianized. This is why this is a community. You see how the houses are inside this village. As we turn in, there's houses everywhere, and there's community hall and all that sort of stuff here. Yeah. This is good driving for you, babe.
Sure. Good experience.
Oh, isn't it? So yeah, being just super respectful in this village here. See, it's strictly no alcohol. It says strictly no alcohol there.
Come here. Catch you. Catch you.
So we're just here exploring, you know, Jamaican Virgin taking us around. Island, get away from the edge. Oh wow, this is pretty. Oh, crystal is this? What? Oh, crystal clear is this, babe?
Yeah, look at the fish.
Yeah. What? Does this water have some kind of special benefit or something?
I don't know. Yeah, it's a Methodist. I told you it's a Methodist. Jermaine just told me that it's a Christian Methodist thing.
Yeah.
You see the
Yeah. Oh, look, because it's right under here in the church. Yeah, and the church is up there. Wow.
I think there is.
Oh, look at this fish, babe. Oh my God, that's big. Look how big that is.
I don't know what's this one, babe. He's gonna jump in.
Okay. Oh. It's pretty. This is an update about Jermaine. So the good news is that a lot of you have asked and it has come true. So Jermaine said that you want to create a channel. He actually has a channel now. So you guys will definitely get to know him more personal and his whole family and his journey, his story that he told us that you guys never heard on camera. So
yeah. So please go ahead, follow Jermaine's page, which I presume it's called Samoa.
I'll make it easy for you guys. So it will be down in the description and also pinned in the comment section. So you don't even have to type up nowhere. Just do that and you'll find him and
go subscribe to him, comment, tell him that we sent you. And we wish Jermaine all the best, and we will definitely link up again.
Wait, Island, wait.
Wait for mom. I'll go in and then you can
beautiful.
Okay. When I take my
Is
shoes
it cold?
off.
Cold? Yeah. Oh my god.
Ooh, I reach for this.
Island, up first, wait.
Oh yeah. Let me take my shoes off.
Yeah.
Let me go. Let me take my shoes off.
Alright, take them off.
Cold.
Victor. Oh, sorry.
Yeah. It's pretty. Oh. Oh, that's cool. That is cool. The bomb, what a cool. Alright, I will. That was cool.
Yeah.
Feel good though.
Feels nice. Come on. Ready? You got them down. 1, 2, 3. Close your nose. Good.
Yeah.
I want to go swim through that cave. Ooh. Boy. Come.
It might get slippery.
It's cold.
Want me to hold the camera?
Malulu.
Colder. And colder. And colder. And colder.
Ooh.
We make this colder. We make this colder.
Jamaica is colder.
No. This pool.
It's cold. You like it?
Yeah. It's so.
This is cold, but after you get in, it's not too bad. You coming?
The fish them. Look at them.
Wait for me. I come back.
Yeah, there was a big, and I was like, not great.
I'm coming. I'm coming. I hear him crying.
I don't know, we can link him later and see.
Yeah.
A fair brother.
I'm in this, guys.
Cool. Yeah, man, straight from the tree, huh? Long time I eat them something from left Jamaica.
Don't understand.
Nah. This is beautiful. Island, you want some almond?
What?
You want some almond? Dad cut for you, open? Why?
Island.
Yeah,
see
try.
You.
No.
Try.
Here.
You don't know
I
idea.
have one. No.
Try Island.
No.
Yeah. Island, it's a peanut.
Eh,
Peanut.
Oi.
Eat it. Why not?
I don't want.
All right then. Whew. This is beautiful, guys. This is Beulah. Be careful. Be careful, guys. Beulah, this. Lovely. Absolutely beautiful, guys. So guys, entry, they charge you entry to come here, so it's like 5 tala, which would equivalent to maybe $2.30 Australian. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. Yeah, and I didn't swim in the cave, guys, because, you know, like, I like to go with people in caves, not by myself. Yeah, all right, I'm gonna go to the next spot now, guys. Let's go.
Yeah, so we have followed the Jamaican, you know. Bring us to all the spots them. Waterfalls already and that what you call it?
So we went to Beulah Cave just then.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna go do something with the Germs Dogs, that's his name.
Yeah, his nickname, you know. Look at Island. Island wants to chill with them the whole time because he has friends in there.
Yeah.
When the boy, yeah.
Entry is 5 tala. Okay.
Oh, it's a falls. It's bringing us to all the spots.
Waterfall there, so.
Funny falls. Never even been here either, ever.
Oh, they're staying.
Yes, and then Nongasina.
Eh?
Nongasina.
Nongasina.
Yeah, so the G here, they pronounce it NG, like ng.
Nga.
Yeah, so Nongasina.
Nongasina.
Yeah,
Okay.
in Jamaica, they say go Sina.
So it's everywhere.
Beautiful flowers, huh? Beautiful. Wow.
The manager up here, you know, Moss. Yeah, Moss on the way.
Yeah.
Moss on the city. Hello.
Hello, lava.
Hello.
Hello, lava.
Oh wow, look at this. Oh gosh.
Oh.
There's some real beautiful places here, eh?
Yeah, a lot of people really highlight it.
Yeah.
So you have the water meet the sea.
Oh,
Okay.
wow.
Yeah, so the river mouth.
Yeah, it's a river mouth.
Yeah.
And then up at the river mouth there, so you have a waterfall.
My legs are, my calves are so sore
Yeah,
from the
from yesterday.
Tosuage, like trenches.
Yeah, you can feel it.
Because coming up and down that ladder, it's like, oh my gosh.
Yeah, you have a next waterfall, Papauta.
Yeah.
Yeah, Papauta, that's up at Alafua.
Okay, we drove past this yesterday when we were going to Tusua. You know that, right? We went the long way.
Oh, so this is the way you
Yeah, but we saw all these places, but we're like, oh no, maybe we can stop next time. Because we left a bit late.
Okay.
But we didn't stop here. No, we didn't stop anywhere. We just went straight to Tusua.
Yeah. Just so those things are publicized. but these are the hidden gems.
These are the hidden gems. Wow.
Oh wow.
That is so pretty.
Yeah, that's that way when we drove on the bridge there yesterday.
Back up there, but it's... My knees, my legs are killing me.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, that's the ocean that way.
Big fish here, eh?
Yeah, must.
They
That,
must have big fish.
even at the river, they must. Yeah.
So that's the sea there.
Yeah.
The water interchange.
Wow.
Nice,
So
man.
it must be a salt water plus a river water.
It's more like fresh. Yeah, than salty. And you
Yeah.
have the flow from the river.
Yeah,
and
push it,
out.
push more. Wow.
Yeah, this must feel to you like you're back in Jamaica. Some of the most
Yeah,
places.
man, some of the places, yeah.
For real.
The only thing I miss are like the music and the food.
Yeah, the vibe there.
The
For
vibe
real.
there.
For real. I mean, you're closer to home than we in Australia.
So I'm about to try this. That's a keke saina. Is it saina? Saina?
Kekasanga.
Yeah.
Kekasanga.
Yeah, I'm gonna try
So
it
big
out.
up to all the Samoans that like to eat that, kekasanga. My husband's gonna try it for the first time.
Yeah. See it there, guys. Look like a bulla outside kind of looking. Have a nice taste. So it's like meat inside. Oh, be a loose gravel. Nice.
You like it?
I like
Does
it.
it taste like bulla?
A little bit, but I also have a bit of taste like a patty, like the outside of the patty, not the meaty part, but it gives a patty flavor, and it gives like, is there meat inside of this?
No,
No?
it's coconut and brown sugar, I think.
Oh,
I'm not sure.
yeah.
Samoans, please comment down below what is this and what's it made out of, please.
It tastes like a biscuit at the same time. Yeah.
Lava.
Hello.
Ofia new. Lima kala kasi. Yeah, kasi.
Kasi
You want one?
Yeah.
Or lua?
Wow. You say lima cala, no buy that.
Yeah. No?
For the
Yeah, I
price?
did. Too much? Boy. Is he gonna cut it? Oh, ele malulu. Ele. Oi. Can you cut
just
for me?
one, just
Kasi
one
lah,
then.
Kasi. And this one.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
No, the other one look better. Why did you give you that one?
Oh.
So this is a dam. Wow, look at the view.
We're in country now, guys. Like real country.
Oh, you see that? She's walking while reading her book like, hey, boy, a gunman this. What is? Man, I shoot everybody on the road.
You know what, babe? It's like when you were little, when you used to make up things in your head,
Yeah.
and you like play,
Yeah.
and like he's using a piece of log to make it look like that's his gun,
Yeah.
and he's shooting things and people and that.
Yeah.
That's cute.
Yeah, we used to do them things when we were younger.
And like,
Run,
you
run
know, like,
pieces.
or like they grab like a little piece of something to like make it, or like a cardboard box and make it like a car or something.
Yeah.
I seen that, like, so cute. Imagination of the kids, you know?
And that's how they get into their creative headspace. Like
Yeah.
sometimes even those simple things turn them into an engineer, turn them into so yeah.
It is, definitely.
Going home from school.
Wow, this church is really something else, eh? Mom, look at the churches here, man. The churches here are crazy, Mom. She'll love it. My mum would love it here for real. She'll come and visit all the Catholic churches.
It's an island over there, guys, and you can tell it's like a resort over
I
there.
don't know what island it is, babes.
Yeah. This village looks different. They decorate it with bottles. Look. gets extreme, it definitely flows over. There's a tree we call donkey peepee in Jamaica. It literally smells like it.
Oh, Lalumanu. This is Lalumanu. So guys, if you're from Lalumanu, this is the village. Lalumanu. Olele.
Still exploring.
Oh wow, that's beautiful.
It's okay. Wow. That's nice. Nice little part you can swim there. It's okay island.
If he wants to, can I get his slippers then?
Yeah.
I hold this.
Macaulay
So this,
Table
he
should
said
have
this what
done
happened.
Huh?
Yeah, this happened what year?
No, the tsunami was 09.
2009.
September 2009.
See about the sun. There was never sun.
No,
Oh,
you have
really?
sun, but it never so high.
Never so
Yeah.
high. Wow.
And yeah, the sun white.
Really?
When after the tsunami,
Yeah.
because even the road and everything was covered with sand.
Wow.
Yeah. We have some pictures.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
the tsunami, what happened with the
Yeah, not
tsunami?
yet. Wait, sorry. We're waiting for somebody first and then we find out, okay? You have to be patient, okay? Yeah, oh wow. And what's this island here?
Huh?
What's this island?
That island. Oh, the island the name there.
Leah, what island is?
I'm not remember. We just passed.
We
You're supposed
passed?
to take the boat. It's 50 tala for one person.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they have a little, some bungalows over there where you can go swim and...
Hey, 50 tala.
Tala for one person.
Wow. Wow. Oh, really? They pay 50? Well, so that's what? For 350 tala? Jeez. That's like a whole 5-star meal at the restaurant, literally. Wow. But I must say, Samoa compared to Fiji is not that expensive. Fiji is more expensive.
Yeah, because where you go, Nandi?
Nandi.
You go Nandi, yeah, you have to know. Because Nandi is created as a tourism product. I see, you know, you see Jacks of Fiji.
Yeah.
There are two groups who are basically run Nandi.
Yeah.
There's some conglomerates.
Yeah.
You have Jacks of Fiji, and then you have the one that the duty free.
Oh,
Duty free
okay.
store.
Yeah, Jiffy. Yep. Yep.
So when you go to Port Denaro,
Yep.
you have half of Port Denaro is controlled by Jacks of Fiji.
Yeah.
Taboo. Then the other half is controlled by Taboo.
Taboo.
So most of the businesses, yeah. So you have like the CJ Patels and
Wow.
those businesses. And just Indians.
Yeah.
They run
can tell.
Fiji, man.
Yeah.
When you go Port Denaro,
It's sure.
different lifestyle.
And Suva plenty too.
Yeah, man.
About 90% Indian and 10%.
Yeah, man. When you go Suva
Real
now,
Fijian people.
The Suva, you have, what do you them name? Because in Suva, Damador.
Ah.
Yeah, the Damadors
Yeah.
run.
That run through.
Damador, CJ Patel,
Wow.
all of those guys.
Yeah. So have you ever thought of doing YouTube?
For me?
Yeah.
Well, sometimes I think about it, but when I look at it's like,
Yeah, good. Okay.
he's an old man, yeah, man.
Yeah. You're not old.
Young people think that.
No.
You know, I
No.
probably would do like I would probably do like the voice, the faceless.
He's saying
Because-
he's too old to do YouTube. No, so you know
Yeah.
there's so many
No,
old
me,
people
yeah,
that
super old
old
people
people
do it,
do
especially like,
YouTube.
you know, me like watch like the carpentry and
Do you watch any Jamaican vlogs?
yeah man, I want to man.
Drizzy Burke and that?
Who?
Drizzy Burke?
Who that?
Drizzy Burke TV?
No sir.
No?
Yeah, here me can't take the cascas and mix up. Me can't, I don't like it.
Yeah.
Oh, and Shensia do it and Shensia this. You know, one thing me like politics watch.
Oh.
Politics
Sirpy.
watch. Sirpy.
Sirpy.
A gangster.
Yeah.
See, cause guess how it's Sirpy now?
Yeah.
Him doing research.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
he come up with facts. And then now, you have some, me love Tef, you know.
Tef Nation.
Tef Nation.
Yeah.
I like it. And Skunk.
Oh,
The China boy, the uptown China boy there with the car.
oh, with the car, them skunk
Yeah, man,
lifestyle.
skunk lifestyle.
I think,
I like
yeah.
him.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
understand? But
What about that Rasta one we watched? Tell him he's pretty good. He's got like, what's his name? Rasta.
Ras Moko or Ras Kitchen?
No,
man,
the
Moko-
young boy
no,
with the
but
dreads.
Ras Kitchen them broke up.
Yeah,
now.
me know
The
them.
one that used to be a dancer.
Oh, yeah, talk about the
Ras-
ganja tours.
Yeah, that's
The
it.
ganja tours.
You-
The
you
ganja
have-
tours. He's
oh,
pretty
me don't know
good.
him, but me, you know some little youth do them go hunt and fish. And
Yeah, you have,
me like them youth there.
Spearfishing
You have,
Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Yeah, sometimes they do them go deer hunting.
Yeah, man, I know how we
I
are.
like them youth there, You know, and them something I like, right?
Yeah.
Man, I create content.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You have some whole heap of vlogger, I want them call them vlogger.
Yeah.
Bloggers,
Where
Yeah.
regurgitate content, and
Yeah.
I like that.
One
That's
of
true.
them are Jamaica Hidden Beauty TV.
Yeah.
And you have one Junior Lifestyle.
You know, our next youth are bad too. He come from what St. Thomas.
Oink, oink. Hey, hey, little piggies. Come naman. Look, the family.
We're trying to find where we're staying tonight, guys. Jermaine. Jermaine still
Germ
leading.
dogs.
Yeah.
Hey. Wow, that's
The grass.
That's
grass,
what we
man.
smell. Oh, Jamaica. No. No, it smells so good. This reminds me of Jamaica for real.
Yeah, man.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. That keeps his garden clean. Itu na, yun na.
tourists.
What fish you have there? Tuna.
Skip that tuna and the yellowfin tuna.
Why?
Nice.
Okay, I come tomorrow to buy. Because I stay here tonight. Tomorrow I buy from you. Okay? Yeah, kayo. Kayo. Yeah, fa. Okay. So guys, we're here at Maninona Club Island Resort. Island Beaches or Fale Beaches. And we're going to be staying in one of those houses there.
Oh, that's what they look like.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty basic, but like I said, me and babe, we don't do this fancy shit. We just go with it.
Oh, nice place. Looks good already.
Here's the office.
Hello, Pa.
Hello. Hi.
Wow. That's what they look like. Nice, man. Yeah.
That's where the energy is. Where it's at, huh?
This is it. I have a mosquito net as well.
Aha.
Mom.
Yes.
Oh, I want to swim pool.
You want to go swim?
Yeah.
Alright, someone has to get in with them, babe. I'm not leaving him to swim on his own.
You guys have clothes?
Yeah.
So you have
in the
like-
car. Yeah, everything in the
How
car.
come I'm
Babe, maybe
not
move the
watching
car up this way so we're closer.
Yeah. You have light.
Are
What's
you
this
gonna
one?
like that?
What is there any other? I don't know what that one is. Yeah.
It just turned on and it just went off.
Oh. It's a nice beach. Beautiful beach. Yeah. Is the water cold? Warm? Oh,
So
nice.
go try it with Anna. Go. Because like, you don't have towels or anything. So it's gonna be hard to shower. Alright guys, so we're here at the Manonoa Ocean beachfront, and babe's got some fish and chips and I got some of this, and yeah, so we're gonna devour that now. So guys, we're finally now here at the beach that we were staying at. As you can see, literally. Island, can you just turn it off on me? So guys, we're just here now at the beach. We call it the Beach Fale here in Maninoa. Ocean View Beach Resort, something like that, or Beach Fale, sorry. Yeah, so we have finished with Babe's link up today, our Jamaican friend Jermaine.
Yeah.
It was a good, cool vibe. We had a good time.
Yeah, man.
So we just wanted to say thank you, Jermaine, for linking with us and, you know, being a great person. a great guy. You know, you've got a beautiful family, beautiful wife, beautiful kids.
Yeah, man.
So yeah, thank you for that. You
Yeah,
want to say
man.
anything, babe?
Much respect, bro, and give thanks for your experience, you know, and the different hidden gems that we probably wouldn't have found without you, you know what I mean? So we give thanks for all of that, man. Yeah, the experience has been great all day. Yeah, man, we love it. And we're there now, just chill, you know?
Yeah, we're chilling out now in this beautiful, beautiful hut. It's very simple, a simple life of living,
Yeah.
and gives us a beautiful, you know, beautiful ideas.
Yeah,
You know,
man.
and yeah, just lovely, absolutely. So
Romantic
right at the front,
vibe.
if you hear, yeah, romantic for sure.
My crash.
Yeah,
The waves crash.
the waves are crashing out there. Like we're literally like a couple of steps from the water.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're just chilling out, guys. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the Island Family,
It's fun.
and we're now ready for relax, watch something, and
Yeah.
bedtime. All right then.
Good night, everyone.
Good night.
Morning. Good afternoon.
Till the next one.
Yes, man.
Island, what do you say?
Thank you for watching my channel.
Bye.
Bye.